Attention, boys and girls. I've been busily working away on the 380 Twin, but I received a communication. And as a result of that communication, some 1/20th scale hydro kits are on their way out the door. What you see right here is the very last 1/20th scale kit left. Once this one leaves the door, I will be at liberty to reveal Secret Project X. Now, Secret Project X, it went for a maiden last time, but I wouldn't really call it a maiden. I hit the trigger and nothing happened. So it now has a larger speed control and a larger battery. So it's going to get its maiden tomorrow. And you guys are going to like Secret Project X. Until next time, boys and girls. Until next time, somebody buy this last kit so I can reveal Secret Project X. Until then, boys and girls, jet out.